How to remove one-click pay on Temu. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for temu.com. Make sure you are signed in and now tap on your profile icon on the top right corner of your screen and then tap on your name. Now, on the left side toolbar, tap on the Your Payment Methods option. In the Payment Methods section, look for the One-Click Pay option and tap on the Disable One-Click Pay option and confirm the action when prompted. After disabling One-Click Pay, you may need to delete your saved card information. In the Payment section, select the stored card and choose the option to remove or delete it. And if you wish to use One-Click Pay in the future, you will need to re-enter your card details and enable the feature again. So, this is how you can remove One-Click Pay on Temu. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.